The four main parts of the trench installation are: 1. The bedding zone, prior to pipe installation and house connections. 2. Side support zone. 3. Overlay zone. 4. And the trench fill zone. Trench work should be as narrow as practical. Health and safety are imperative with all trench work, so please manage the risks associated with any trench work. Using crushed rock, sand or other compactable material, add a layer of this material to trench floor. The layer of bedding will need to be level, as per grade required, and compacted to support the base of the pipe. Small indentations should be excavated to accommodate the pipe sockets so that the pipe is uniformly supported. A laser level is the preferred method to achieve optimal fall and grade. A compactor is recommended to be used to ensure good compaction of the bedding zone.